Today we're doing a ponytail tutorial. You'll need a brush or a comb, but this brush. Brush it and it should look like this. Nap is for ooh, damn. Now you should have an arch like this. Now almost. Nick, what the fuck? Stop. If you have longer hair, it still should work, but just not with gel, I don't think. Now, gel. This gel, any kind of gel. But if you can't use gel on your hair, then use gel. Now, if you already bald head, you just oh my god, just get off the video. Okay, open the gel like this. Slick it up on top or around, doesn't matter. Just make sure you put gel on it. Last step. All you really need is a rubber band. Now, twist the ponytail if you want, if you really can't get it to slick up with the gel. And then take your rubber band after you slick it up and just tie they be.
Okay.
Okay. And now you're done. Oh my god, you don't have to make the ugly faces like this, but have fun with your ponytail. And after you finish watching this more little tutorial, also picture your ponytail in the comments section. For edges, I almost forgot. You ain't got no edges, bitch. Tag one edgeless dot in this video too.